My name is Edward Rios, and I'm the owner and operator of Home Decor and More Installation Services. Alongside me are my two assistants, Michael. Hey, Michael.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. Tomas. Good to see you, Bubba. Yeah. We're really excited because we've got a really unique install in store for you today. Follow us inside to check it out. All right, our next animal is this ram right here in front of us. We're going to mount it on the wall behind us. Down 3 1/4. 3/8 down 3 1/4. This your mark, Tomas? Right here, correct? Yes. Okay, what we just did, we put our anchor into the wall, and this isn't quite as easy as you might think when you don't just put the animal up level. We took our client's perspective into play and put the animal on this one anchor and swiveled it and tilted it just the way he liked it, and now we've got the exact position for our next anchor, which we're going to put in now. Now, the way you know, Michael, pull away from the wall with the animals do. Yeah, okay. Check your mark too. See the mark on the wall? Should be right by the... I'm going to come your way. If you'll take my place, Tomas. Yeah. You check Tomas's mark. I don't see it, so that's not... It's not... Come down.
I'm not going to...
Okay. Just get ready to hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding it away from you.
There we go. There we go. I feel it. That's your mark. Okay. Now stand up with me like this, I need Tomas. You stand up with me. You'll hold the Michael. Now, Michael, as we push down, I want you to pull this way. Okay. Try to pull it away.
All right. Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Now, Michael, pull this way like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Away from the wall.
Yeah, it's not pulling. Okay, good. We're good.
Yeah.
We're good. We're good.
So what if somebody bumps into it or?
You have to lift up.
Okay.
All right, so as you can see, we've got the animal up on the wall, nice and secure. Once again, you need an animal installed or something unique, give us a call, 210-843-3339. Thank you.